Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Orca Love Light. So I wanted to show you my quick little Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I did get me a Coke Zero today, but I also got these mixed nuts that I'm going to try out. It's 2 net carbs for I think like about 1/4 of a cup. I got me some beef sticks. One of them has cheese and the other ones are original, which is 2 carbs for this whole one, and this one has 1 net carb in it. Yeah, that is my haul for today. So we're going to start breakfast. And today I'm going to be just making an egg scramble. So I'm just going to cut up a little bit of onion, green pepper, and mushroom and throw it all in the pan. And that's it. This is going to be easy peasy today. Easy, but delicious. Go ahead and get into it and I'll come back.
Trying so hard, but distance rips us apart. Can't comfort you from afar, but I still want your heart. Baby, I'm trying so hard, but distance rips us apart. Can't comfort you from afar. Apart, but I still see your perfect future is with me. You mean everything to me, even though it's hard to see just how happy we could be if you could wait patiently. Baby, I'm trying so hard, but distance rips us apart.
All right, y'all, so here is my snack. It is just my beef stick and cheese. Now for lunch, I'm going to be making me a shrimp dish, which is shrimp, broccoli, and corn. Yes, I said corn, don't fall out your seat. So we are going to break this big corn down to a mini ear corn, and then we're only going to eat half of that. So you still can have like a couple of, some of your favorite dishes. Corn used to be my favorite dish, y'all, before I started keto. We are going to do broccoli. So we're going to put this all in the air fryer, and I'll show you how it's done. And I will show you what I'm going to season all of this stuff with as well. So this bag of broccoli is 4 carbs. I just wanted to show you guys that you can have broccoli, because this is the broccoli florets. And I'm just going to put loads of shrimp in here, of course. We are just going to be putting in here 2 tablespoons of butter, Old Bay seasoning, Italian seasoning, parsley, and garlic powder, and a little bit of red pepper at the end, but that's it. So you make your aluminum foil sort of like a bowl so your butter don't run out, and the water from the broccoli, because the broccoli is frozen, so that don't leak out as well, and that's going to make the juice too. This is so easy, quick, and delicious. We're going to put it in here and put it on seafood. I think my air fryer seafood setting is at 350 for, I want to say 15 minutes. I think that's what it said. I'm almost sure that's what it is. Put it in the air fryer, and then we're going to take it out when it's halfway through. This is what it looks like when it's halfway through. We're just going to mix it all in together, and now we're going to put our corn pieces back in. I didn't tell you guys, I forgot to tell y'all, that you're going to boil your corn a little bit so it can already get soft. So all you're doing is really kind of like heating it back up in this one, but you're already going to cook it. You're going to cook your corn first, because y'all know corn take a while to cook. So you're going to cook that first, put it back in here, and I just put a couple, a little bit more seasoning on it, which is garlic powder. And we're going to pop this right back in the air fryer, and then it's going to be time to take it out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. So I made this into 2 servings. I gave one of my kids the other serving, and I ate the other one. So this was so good. And now here is my snack. Don't judge me. I already ate this cookie, and I almost forgot to show you guys. But I wanted something chocolatey and sweet. I also, you guys, end up eating some of those mixed nuts. They were so good. So I plugged them into the carb manager as well. All right, you guys. So today was 1,456 calories, and it was 23 net carbs. If you are new here and you made it this far, please consider subscribing. And for those of you who already subscribed, thank you. All right, you guys. That is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.